All right, folks, it's just going to be a quick Revit demo here of adding stairs, railings, and a deck, okay? And this is not accurate, but it's just quick blocking just to get you up and running, okay? So we're just going to do something like that for now. All right, let's go. I think I'll, all right, a lot of warnings, I know. Okay, let's go open the other file. I believe it's not that one. Let's go here. Is this 89 demo? Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm going to go to the first floor. It's my studio. The second floor is my kitchen. Okay, basically I'm going to make a deck here. Okay, right outside on the second floor in anticipation of a single run stairs going up. Okay, it's not perfect. It's not correct. It's a good start. Okay, so this is my second floor here. And you can see I have a hardwood floor here, and there's something downstairs, not really closed off yet. It's okay. What I want to do is, for example, I'll show you here when this thing zooms in. I have two files open. Oh boy, this can't be good. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this is the downstairs entrance, okay, for that floor, which is kind of like a design space, and I'm going to have a straight run stairs going to the side of this right here onto the deck, okay, in anticipation, okay? So I'll demo that right now really quick. We're going to do a, okay, so here it is. I'm going to start with maybe, let's do something super simple, floor, right? Okay. Floor, go back and cancel this for a second. So I'll just give you some options. Like you guys are used to basically using this, right? And there's other options, okay? I'm just going to continue with this for now. Okay, this is simply just blocking, okay? Ideally, I should be using the structural one, okay? But I'll just go with this for now. All right, and I'm just going to take the rectangle tool here, right? And I'm just going to go from this corner like this out, and something in anticipation, something like that. Okay, I don't know. I'm making a deck. Okay, I'm going to say checkbox. Don't attach right now. Okay, and here it is. And then as soon as you create something, you have the option of switching it up. Okay, so I'm just going to go metal deck. I don't know, something like that. Okay, so there you go. Instead of like before, we had the wood finish, right? Okay, quick, easy. Here we go. So now I'll go to the first floor. Okay, I'm going to run the stairs, straight line. Okay, looking for stairs. And I'm going to click on this one here, straight. Okay, and I'm going to just hover my mouse somewhere here and just go the entire distance where it ends. Boom, done. Okay, 18 risers right there. Something like that, I believe. Okay, so what you could do now, look, the opening here, I want to change this to 4. I'm just going to type in 4. Done. Okay. Oops. What is that? Sorry, 4 from there is not what I want. I want 4 in here. Boom. Like that. Okay, and then you can use like a video game. Right now we're in high school, so you can go boom, boom, forward. I'm going to kind of line it up here on the deck. Okay, let's see how that goes. You have to obviously check. Click check. Let's see what we have. Okay, we'll go to my little dog house here. And there it is. Look at that. Hold shift, middle scroll. Bingo. Okay, so I need to kind of now move this back enough so that this is aligned. Okay, see here? Okay, so if I go one of my elevations and I don't know what's north, oh, good guess. Okay, so if I just go like that, look, I'm just playing a game here, okay? Just like that, somewhere in here. Good enough? All right, so we got our run straight. And I would prefer next time, I will show you a nice little landing in between, but we got a straight run going up. I'll leave it at that. This is your first time doing this, okay? So we'll just go with that. Now I'm going to go to my second floor. And you see here, now obviously what I need to do here is go to Edit Boundary. Boom. Click up here, up arrow, ding, 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 all the way there. Well, and then check. All right, don't attach. We're not attaching anything right now. We're just keeping it clean. Okay, whatever. If you wanted this to go further, again, Edit, click once, right arrow. If you wanted a different, you want it to be like, I'll do it later. Okay, I'm just going to leave this as rectangle. Leave it like that. Boom. Now, the easy, fun stuff, okay? I'm going to put a railing here. So from here, here, okay? So back to architecture. I see railing here. Okay. Please don't crash. Save project. Thank you. All right, see the line tool here? Okay, why don't we start over here somewhere? Get right here, boom, in here. And I'm going to, I don't like the railing to be all the way to the edge. So now you see nothing happened. Click again, another line, boom, done. Click again, another line. So it's like a U, right? Right up to here, right? Then you just grab your modify tool, the arrow, click, up arrow, done. I want to go in a bit. Usually I can control this a little better, but that's not bad, right? That's good, and this one I'll push up a bit, okay? Check. Now what's cool is, this was just created, right? Handrail. And look at that. This is my favorite one. So you got pipe, rectangle, guardrail. I'm going to use the glass one, which is really sweet. Go simple. Done. Okay, so now if I go to my 3D view, little doggy house, look at that. Okay, so even here, this was what when I first created this balcony here, I didn't see the glass panel. So if I just now click on that, and it did it on the spot for me. Usually in other cases I would press apply. Look how sweet that is. Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is a good start. It's a straight run going. Okay, and you know my floors are off, my walls are off. I'm going to fix all that afterwards. But for now you can say I'm coming up here, all right, to there. All right, so that kind of works. It's not bad. Quick, easy. So I land here, okay, and I come in this way into my kitchen floor, which happens to be here, which is incomplete. Boom, like that. My bar, fridge, and all that business here. Okay, and that's what I have at this point. See, this way you're coming down on the first floor. It should show possibly up. See, up. All right, I hope this makes sense. Please test it out. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it right now. We're running out of time, so the stairs are not really going to work for us yet, but at least it's a rough estimation of where things should be. Okay, I'm going to say that's it for now. Balian out.